Hey, what's going on, guys? Assad here, and let's talk about the join method in the typed array. So we need to create a join. The join method. What it does, it concatenates all the elements or array by using a separator and make it return as a string. So this is what in the case of typed array. So let me show you. What we're gonna do is create a const and the uint, and after that new, using new operator, and create uint 8 array and pass 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40 comma 50. We just created an array, nothing special though. Don't think that we need to do the same all time. No, it's not like that. After that, what we're gonna do is log it on a console, use the uint8 dot join method. Now it's concatenation time. Just put between something like empty. When I enter a string, it's gonna return you a string. If we put like a space, it's gonna give you this, and like that. You can do anything. So like this is what it also can do. So this is what the join method do. Hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.